Hi there and welcome back to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video, we're diving into the Advanced tab, the place where you fine-tune how any module behaves and looks. Whether it's spacing, visibility, animation, or custom code, this tab gives you full control. Let's walk through each section. First up, margins. Margins create space outside the module. You can enter values in pixels or percentages to control the spacing between modules. Great for aligning items like buttons and headings more precisely. Next, responsive visibility. This controls which devices the module appears on. Each breakpoint is enabled by default, but you can turn visibility off for desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile. It's ideal for hiding large elements on mobile or showing different content to suit screen sizes. Now, the display options. This controls who can see the module and when. There are three main choices. Always shows to all visitors. Logged out users for people who aren't signed in. Logged in users for people who are. Need more control? Use conditional logic. You can create rules based on user roles, URL paths, query strings, or even WooCommerce data. Perfect for showing content only to certain users or under specific conditions. Next, animation. You can add entrance effects like fade in, slide, or zoom. And set a delay so the animation triggers after a moment or as someone scrolls. Just remember, keep animations subtle. They're great for drawing attention, but too many can distract. Now, HTML element. This lets you choose the HTML tag that wraps the module. Using semantic tags can help with SEO and accessibility. Next is the section for adding a custom ID, class, or label. Hover over the little question mark next to each input. Beaver Builder gives handy tooltips to explain what each one does. These are useful if you want to apply custom styling or target the module with scripts.
Now onto export import. Once you've styled a module just the way you like, you can copy those settings and apply them elsewhere. Simply follow the process shown here, and this can save a lot of time when building consistent layouts.
Finally, CSS and JavaScript. This is where you can drop in custom code, styles, or scripts, like applying advanced animations or integrations. Just be cautious. A small mistake here can affect your page. But if you're confident, it's a powerful tool for fine-tuning your design. And that's a full tour of the Advanced tab. To recap, you can control spacing, visibility, user access, animation, structure, export options, and advanced code, all from one place. Once you're done, click Save, then Done, and don't forget to click Publish to save your changes.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.